Going to create a table from scratch, building it from your database until you customize it little by little.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So, let's say we have a table of sales summary per piece sector, and we are going to create it now. Let's create a sales column, here product, quantity, unit price, and here a total value, which would be quantity versus unit price. I'm just going to center it, and I'm going to put a number. It can be to simplify. The product can be A, B, C, A again, B, C, C, and B. The quantity is random, the unit price is 10, and here, instead of doing it manually, we are going to do the multiplication calculation. So, we are going to take the quantity times the value and hit enter. It automatically gave the result. Just drag it down and apply it to all. Once that's done, I'm going to put it here and also customize this first column. I'm going to put a gray color, black, and I'm going to put font 12. I can go over here and decrease it a little bit. And here, our table would be ready. It's very simple. We create a table. For more advanced modules, we have the awareness of how to make a table, from the simplest to the most advanced, creating more personalized tables.